Okay, I had to do my intro over again because my hair looks freaking crazy. I tried to do a blowout and it didn't happen. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kailina if you guys are new here. Today I'm going to be doing this kind of like smoky-ish eye. Also, little disclaimer and heads up, I did change my eyeshadow just because it didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to turn out. So I did my brows. Every time I do them I feel like they look super dark. I don't know. Maybe it's because I don't have like my full face of makeup on. I'm going to be actually using the Urban Decay eyeshadow potion primer. I've heard a lot of good things, so that's why I bought it, but I never used it. So now it has a bunch of like concealer on it. Anyways, we're just gonna try it out today and see how that plays out for us. Now I'm just gonna set it with some translucent powder. It's a little... Okay, I think the powder is helping. So I don't exactly have like a whole lot of plans today. It is 12:37. I decided to start my day a little bit late today because I was contemplating... Oh my gosh, wait, hold on. I never wash my brushes. There's been like these songs stuck in my head because of TikTok. It's like that one song where it's like, when you see us in the club, something like that. That's been stuck in my... Oops, can't cuss. That's been stuck in my head. And then also that one sad song by frickin' Taylor Swift, Cardigan. And it's just all over TikTok. So those are the two songs that have been stuck in my head. And fun fact, I used to actually be, what do they call it, a Swiftie? I actually used to be a Swiftie when I was in middle school. Never Getting Back Together or whatever it, I don't know what it's called. That song? A bop. Okay guys, we're just gonna take this whole freaking thing off. I just wasted all that time, but like I'm not liking how this is turning out. Alright, so using the 420 palette, I'm gonna go in with Hash and we're gonna actually put this all over the lid instead. I'm gonna use this Anastasia Sultry palette, going in with Twig, wherever it may be. It actually kind of looks like the same color. This doesn't even look brown. I have no idea what I'm doing anymore. I have no clue. And I probably shouldn't be using one brush to blend everything out, but I am. I don't know how I feel about this. So I'm gonna clean up underneath my eyes. I already put on my moisturizer. Now I'm gonna use the One Size Cure the Blur primer. Look at that. It is just taking care of the oiliness already. I think this winter I got a lot lighter. Is this still my color? I feel like I look tan. I was planning on putting away my Christmas decor because it's been a week now into the new year. My house is gonna look so empty without a Christmas tree and Christmas decorations. I mean, if I could leave it up all year, I would, but that would defeat the purpose of being excited for Christmas. I really do need a new beauty blender. Actually, I don't know why, but I feel like using beauty blenders that are really old work better. Might be gross. I probably shouldn't be doing that, but I haven't really had any breakouts, so. For some reason, I lost my Juvia's Place palette that I normally use to contour, so I've just been using this, which I'm kind of sad about. I think I'm gonna buy a new one, but I have no idea where it's at. Take some of this powder, dust it on my forehead here. Shiny forehead. Now I'm gonna take Coppertone blush by MAC Cosmetics. We are just gonna put this on the apples of our cheeks. I think there's like a nerve right here, like a nerve somewhere in here, because when I pat my cheek, my eyebrow right here just like twitches. I don't know. So I'm gonna use this white eye pencil kind of just to open up the eyes. I really wish I had a tan one. Now we're gonna finish the eyes and I'm gonna be using this kind of like smaller brush. Might be taking forever. Okay, we are using some pretty old dusty lashes today, so don't judge me, don't come for me. I need to order some more lashes, that's for sure. But we're gonna be wearing the Jamie TL2 lashes, aka my signature lash. I definitely need to buy more because these are really dusty and old. Dude, one of my eyes is all wonky and it's not like a lazy eye, but like it just has a different shape than the other one. I don't know if you guys can tell. It looks funky. Okay, so, and then for the lips, we're gonna use 2 different lip mixes from the MAC Cosmetics Pro store. You can also get it online, but we're gonna be using lip mix in Deep Tone Nude and Mid-Tone Nude. We are gonna be lining our lips with the Chestnut lip pencil and Cork. Using 10 Things I Hate About You, we're gonna use this gloss. Okay, so I think this is the final look. I'm pretty sure I forgot highlight because I don't see anything right here. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know I had fun making it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys have not already. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. I will see you in my next video.